Hi guys, today we are going to do the delicious brown sugar boba matcha green tea. It tastes great and look great and also it's fun. So let's go make it. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. This is the shop bought boba. Before you cook it, you need to get rid of the flour in the pack. So you boil it first for 30 minutes, then turn the heat off and then put the lid on. Leave the boba stand there for 20 minutes. I rinse it off in tap water. Here is my brown sugar boba that I made yesterday. That I will put the link on for you how to make it. Here is the ingredient for brown sugar syrup: honey, water, and brown sugar. So I use this tea mix, green tea mix, Cha Tramu. I quite like this brand because it smells quite nice. And I use evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, matcha powder. I will add some matcha powder in green tea. Brown sugar is the perfect thing to go with matcha green tea. The colors contrast as well as the taste. Let's see how easy it is to make brown sugar boba. This is the homemade boba that I made. I recommend you not to put it in the fridge. It will go hard. You can leave in a room temperature. The quicker you use it, the yummiest you will get. Okay? Now I'm going to make brown sugar syrup, water, and brown sugar in the same amount, 1.5 cups. Medium heat to high heat. Boil it until the sugar and the waters here get bubbling. So add the boba in there. We want to see the syrup get thicker, then you can turn the heat off. And that's it done. Leave it until it's cool. It will get even more thicker. And then it's ready. Sorry guys, I forgot to put honey, 1 tablespoon honey into the syrup and boba that I just mixed them together. Can I do it now? For this recipe, I'll use 2 tablespoons of green tea mix. Put it in and then hot water for 100 or half cup. Half cup. Then I pouring to another cup to get the flavor of green tea out from the tea. If you not do this, if you not soak in the hot water for 5 minutes, your tea will be so weak. Because I tried that before. I can't remember how many times I did already, so I think it's done. I will prepare evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk. For sweetened condensed milk, I will use 1.5 ounce. 1.5 ounce for sweetened condensed milk. And evaporated milk, I will use the same amount. And then I will take the tea stalk filter out from green tea. Squeeze the tea out from the filter. Then put the ingredient on thing. And also I will add matcha powder, 1 teaspoon. The green tea is not up to 1 cup, so I will add evaporated milk in there to get 1 cup. I will put homemade boba into 22-ounce cup. Make it pretty, spin around, and that's it. And then I will add crushed ice. Then pouring green tea matcha in the cup. Put the boba straw in it. If you use a normal straw, you cannot get the boba out. You cannot suck it from the bottom of the cup. The tea smells nice, the boba is soft and chewy, and that's a great game for the children to play, who can get the boba out without using their hands to get it inside the cup, and it's fun for the family. See? I can't stop drinking. It's really good. So you can do this at home, and you can enjoy the recipe. If you have any problem, just let me know at the comment down below.